Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft a trident in Minecraft. So let's get started. For that we just need a few quartz. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3. And you need a few prismarine crystals. 1, 2. And you can, as you can see, trident is crafted. You can also use prismarine shards instead of crystals. Let's check. Yeah, you can use shards, and that way you can craft trident as well. But you might ask, how did you actually do that? Because you cannot craft a trident in vanilla Minecraft. How did you do that? And the thing is, guys, I'm using data pack. I'm using data pack for this, and you can download it from my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description to this post. You can just click download data pack and save it on your PC, and that's it. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the data to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.